So, hello dear friends. So today we're going to discuss about what are the treatment modalities that have been available in homeopathy for different types of cancer. So see, if a patient is diagnosed with a cancer, so the treatment modalities depends upon some important factors which is really necessary in order to select which kind of a treatment is necessary in that particular time. It will depend upon the on which stage the patient is have the cancer, what are the age factor is really necessary in order to treatment, or the strength of the patient, whether it is very strengthy or it's going to sustain the chemo or radiation or surgery. Because most of the time if a patient having old age, then we can't do all these things because it will definitely patient will die with the treatment only. So it will depend upon the what in which stage the patient is, because most of time in India, so I've seen a lot of cases because no one is really coming in very earlier stages of cancer. So most of the time, especially if the consider lung cancer has been considered, the patient will come with you with the third, fourth grade of cancer. So it is necessary. Okay, so if it is contain metastasis, if the spreading of from different organ to different organ has been there or already has been metastasized, then it is very tricky to tackle this kind of cases. But yes, definitely, all this allopathically, these main modality has been available in the modern medicine, that is chemotherapy, radiation and surgery. So out of that, hardly anyone could have been up till now could lead the good outcomes in cancer cases, is if history had been concerned. But yes, definitely homeopathically it is possible most of the time, because it has contained lot of medicine for different types of cancer. If a doctor is very skillful, then definitely it will bring the all these disturbed harmony into normal, and that will help you to regain the patient's vitality, strength. And sometime if the patient has concerned homeopath approach homeopathy in earlier stage, that may possibly cure the disease as well. But if the most of time it is not possible every time to cure the cancer, because it's a very complex process, but definitely we can improve the quality of life of a patient. Life expectancy is much greatly increased in cancer cases with homeopathy. And the metastasis has been very help metastasis, if it is going to spreading very vastly, then it can be controlled with homeopathy. So along with modern medicine, chemo, radiation and surgery, you can start your homeopathic treatment in as early as possible, because it will definitely going to increase your survival rate, and which will be going to help you uh, from the side effect of chemotherapy, radiation and uh, chemo. So all these things are necessary, because most of the people are they are taking chemo cycles. So whenever they goes to chemo, they totally get exhausted from chemotherapy or radiation. So it is at that particular time it is necessary to regain the vitality and fight against cancer. So both things are very important. So at any time of period, you